As a group, we have decided to present this type of collage. The reason why we choose this was because of the authenticity, and it is a style of learning that encourages students to create tangible, useful, quality product outcome to be shared with the world. The environmental impact of science and technology, which have been properly described on the collage. We can see different pictures relating to science and technology in the environment.
What is the impact of technology to the environment? So technology has both positive and negative impacts on the environment. So first we have the positive impact. So the positive impacts of technology has helped in the development of clean energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power. These sources produce less pollution and greenhouse gases emissions compared to the traditional source of energy. Now, negative impact, the production and disposal of electronic devices contribute to e-waste, which is a major environmental problem. E-waste contains toxic chemicals that can pollute the air, soil, and water if not handled properly.
Good afternoon, everyone, and today we are going to discuss air and water pollution. Think about the environment we have today, which is the result of science and technology improvements. The air pollution in our environment affects the surface of bodies of water and soil, and pollution is also the reason why crops are dying. It kills young trees and other plants. It can create acid rain when they mix with water and oxygen in the atmosphere. Water pollution can also contaminate the water sources through substances, making the water unusable for drinking, cooking, cleaning, swimming, and other activities. The effects may not happen if people are more careful with their toxic materials, substances, and others. Saving our environment is the way of caring, which is why people must be aware of the impacts brought by today's advancement.
Good morning, everyone. I am Beverly Joyce Likayan, and now let's talk about the accumulation of waste is another negative effect of technology in our society. So most of technologies and factories produce large amount of waste which are harmful to living things and the environment. So accumulation of these waste can cause land pollution, degradation of the landscape, soil contamination, air pollution, water pollution, health issues, and even the extinction of terrestrial and aquatic species. And also some technology nowadays can damage our world in two main ways: the pollution and the depletion of natural resources. Air pollution occurs when harmful or excessive quantities of gases such as carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide, and methane are introduced into the Earth's atmosphere. So we can minimize accumulation of waste in our environment through recycling.
A long-term change in the typical weather patterns that have come to characterize local, regional, and global climates on Earth is referred to as climate change. Human activity, especially the burning of fossil fuels, which raise the concentrations of heat-trapping greenhouse gases on Earth's atmospheres and those increase the planet's average surface temperature, are to blame for the climate changes that have been observed since the middle of 20th century. In addition to internal variability such as cyclical ocean patterns like El Nino, La Nina, and the Pacific Decadal Oscillation, and external forcing such as volcanic activity, changes in the sun's energy output, and variation in Earth's orbit, natural processing that have been outweighed by human activities can also contribute to climate change.
Good day, everyone. I am Maria Lourdes Vistar. My assigned topic is Government Policies and Laws in 1986 pertaining to science and technology. So here in Philippines, one of the laws related to science and technology is the Republic Act number 1606, an act to promote scientific engineering and technological research, invention, and development. So in the year 1986, Corazon Aquino highlighted the development plan for the year 1986 to 1992, science and technology rules in economic recovery and sustained economic growth was highlighted.
Hello, good day. I am Ruby Ann Chekhov, and I am now going to discuss the centerpiece program of the Duterte administration, which is the Build, Build, Build. Build aims to usher the golden age of the infrastructure in the Philippines. This program seeks to accelerate public infrastructure expenditure from an average of 2.9% of gross domestic product during the Aquino regime to about 7.3% at the end of the Duterte administration. The first three major accomplishments of this program is first, the Clark International Airport Expansion Phase 1 Engineering, Procurement, and Construction. Second, the new Clark City Food Processing Terminal and International Food Market. And the third one is the Subic-Clark Railway Project. The advancement of science and technology had brought a tons of benefits to all of us. As the technology developed, our society became productive too. However, too much exposure of technology can damage our environment and even destroy the natural habitat of all the species. Learners of Prophet Jeremiah, have fun watching our video and reflect the discussion with enthusiasm.